guys, since many of you have asked me how to make my sauce for my protein dishes, I'm just gonna show you real quick. Here's organic tomato ketchup. Just squirt a little bit, and then here's some arrowroot powder. I put about 1 teaspoon. And then for those of you who like measurements, it's really hard because I do it, you know, just by experience. Agave syrup, probably around 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna add some water to it. That will make about, you know, pan. It's like a 10-inch pan. We'll fill it up halfway, and I will pour it in when I have caramelized onion and garlic, and make a sauce for the chicken that's in the oven or anything else you want to make. And of course, if you can't have tomato, you can use my Secret Marinade as a base. So that's it. So now my chicken is ready from the oven, and I've been sauteing onion and garlic in the pan. As you can see, the onion is translucent, almost ready. So at this point, I'm gonna pour the sauce that I made just now into the pan and let it cook for a little while, maybe about a minute or 2. When it starts to bubble, and it'll be ready by then. At the same time, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this excess fat from the chicken. I'm going to pour it into the pan to add to the sauce. Gonna taste so good. Now this fat is not only fat, it also contains the Secret Marinade that I use to marinate the chicken. You see, the liquid is bubbling. So in a few minutes, it's gonna thicken because of the starch I put into it. The starch that I use is arrowroot powder. Now it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the flame and serve it on top of the chicken. So now I have plated the chicken and the veggies, and then with this sauce I'm gonna just pour it on top. Voila! Bon appétit!